Sunday still looks to be the best chance for rain. Saturday's creeping up, to be honest with you. So that's something we have to keep an eye on. It's part of the bigger system where we've got some cold air coming down across the Great Lakes now. It's 0, big old goose egg, by the way, up in International Falls, 80 in Miami. I can do that math on TV. That's 80 degrees warmer. Well, I guess it's actually not. It's 1 more, right? But we are watching that trough of cold air, essentially, set up in the East Coast. And so then what we do here is we say, all right, how deep is it going to get? Because that tells how much cool air we're going to get. It looks like we'll get enough to keep our highs in the 60s, but that's not really all going to happen until we get towards Sunday night and Monday with that next front. So before that gets here, we actually warm up. We were low to mid 70s today. We're going to make upper 70s to near 80 degrees tomorrow. Same thing on Friday. Friday's actually a little bit warmer. Saturday, a few extra clouds, but still warm. Sunday, especially later down on Sunday, we've got the rain chance, and then you can see the front cools us back down, and 60s for highs Monday and Tuesday. Now, that comes with some of that rain I was talking about. Friday, not a big deal. We'll watch Citrus County for a straight shower or two. That's it. This is Saturday creeping up. Now we have 30% rain chance. Sunday is the best chance. This is about 50 to 60%. And this is probably going to now be later. So we're watching the Bucks game, right? It looked like yesterday in the middle of the game we'd get some rain. Now it looks like it's a little bit later after the game. And then now some lingering rain on Monday because that Sunday rain got pushed back. That means a little bit of rain for the morning. So changing forecasts, not surprising between now and then, obviously because it's so far in advance. But for our 7-day, we have our weather impact alert. That's the red shading here on Sunday. That is our best chance for showers. A couple thunderstorms, no severe weather is expected. But that's what you want to keep your eye on if you have outdoor plans this weekend. And again, we're starting to creep up that Saturday rain chance just a little bit. Airport's looking pretty good. It doesn't seem as quiet. It doesn't seem as loud and busy as it has been lately. 79 in Bartow, 69 in Tampa. Here comes the cooler air. The temperatures are dropping. It will continue, and the air's drying out too. 38-degree dew point in Pensacola and Tallahassee, 58 in Tampa, but those numbers in Tampa were in the 70s last couple of days. All right, so here's Friday's rainfall. You see it's up here. This is that area that has the exceptional drought. That is good news for them. We get a stray sprinkle left over. Tends to fall apart, but how much of it? Because this is Saturday midday. Saturday morning through lunchtime, we're going to have some clouds, perhaps a couple sprinkles around, right? We're going 30% now. We may have to update that. But then Sunday, this is before the sun's up, Sunday morning. Look at this front coming through. That's 1 o'clock. Some showers out ahead of it, but this is the bulk, obviously. And yesterday, this is over top of us at 1 o'clock. Now it looks like it's coming in after sunset on Sunday evening, and that's why we have a lingering rain chance for your Monday. So let's go into the forecast. Tomorrow morning, chilliest morning. All right, we've got 48 in Brooksville and 46 in Crystal River, 56 in Tampa, low to mid 50s most areas tomorrow morning. So light jacket in the morning, but we'll warm up very, very nicely. Lots of sunshine, upper 70s for most areas, closer to 80 in our warm spots. But you can see, especially along the coast from, say, Pinellas northward, we'll be in the 70s. Close to 80 for Sarasota, Lakeland, and Tampa tomorrow. Beautiful day. North winds, 5 to 10 knots. That actually go east to north late in the day. There's not a lot of wind out there for today, so that's good news. There's your 7-day forecast. Remember, we'll keep that weather impact alert going for Sunday. The one thing we will watch is the timing on Sunday, which is now Sunday evening, and we have to, of course, keep an eye on Saturday. So yeah, guys, we're going to get some rain that we need. Unfortunately, the best 2 chances we have are on the weekend.